Good morning. I'm on site. I'm going to be doing a large dog onto a shed. Now, as you can see, it's lovely and bright, so no projector this time. It's very large scale, so I'm going to be using a grid system today. So the image is here. It's all gridded out on graph paper, marked up, and the idea is now to try and get it onto that wall, and the end result will hopefully look something like that. So I'm looking to get a top line and make it straight, and in order to do that I have my spirit level and my duct tape. Now I'm going to try and do this and show you what I mean, but I can't really do it with one hand. So I'm going to put it over straight onto the ruler and like evenly. So usually I use the centimeters as a guide, as in I'll cover up maybe the numbers. Then whenever I put the ruler on top of the wall, I'll look carefully to see if this is level, and then I'll rub it in and peel it off like that. So that's my tip. So this is the grid lines that I've made out using duct tape and some string. The grid lines are for me, they're level and they're to a scale that I need them to be. I'm using some chalk just to mark out the dog. You can see in my hand I've got the piece of paper which is showing me what would need to be in each square. This takes time and patience, but is the most important part of the whole mural. By using chalk, it means then if any mistakes are made, that I can easily just get a damp cloth or a bit of tissue paper and just wipe it away. Now you can see that I'm taking off the tape, but I'm moving some of it over to the side. That's because I have some lettering to do, which I will do using the same technique of gridding out and chalking it in. The next stage is to have a coloured soft pastel. Now they are expensive, but I do have some. It is better to use a chalk pastel because the colour is a lot darker. It means then I have the ability to stand back and look at it from a distance to make sure that it's right. And strangely enough, when I did do that, I noticed there was a mistake. I wasn't happy with the scale of the front paws. Now I'm using some paint, chatting away to people. It's a very lonely job, so when people want to talk to me, I will talk. I'm using just dark outlines to mark it out. Once again, it's just so then I can stand back and see if anything needs changing. And then after that, it's just a matter of colouring it in. So I finished the outdoor mural, and here it is. And oh, check out those big clouds. Please don't rain.